When we talk about the NMAT, the first college that comes to our mind is NMIMS or Narsi Monji Institute of Management Studies. But there exist plenty of options through the NMAT that offer exciting and strong career opportunities. Let's look at a few of them. Now, the first cluster of institutes I'm going to talk about includes Somaiya Institute of Management. Now, this institute had an average package of 12.45 lakhs in the latest placement cycle. The second college in this cluster I'm talking about is TAPMI Manipal, which had an average package of 13.84 lakhs. And the third college in this cluster is XUB or Xavier University, Bhubaneswar. Now, they had an average placement of roughly 11 to 15 lakhs per annum across HR, marketing, and operations. Now, if you are looking at legacy and you're looking at higher cutoffs, then basically these are the institutes that you're looking at. Now, coming to Flame University from Pune, it is rapidly rising and is establishing an institute with a strong ethos. Now, their flagship program is the MBA program that had an average package of 9.63 lakhs. The highest package was 15.25 lakhs, and the top 10% had an average package of 13.96 lakhs in this particular cycle. Now, for the class of 2025, considering the economic scenario here, you will be surprised to know, or you'll be excited to know rather, that 96% of its MBA students and 100% of its MBA in communications management students have been placed across diverse companies and sectors. Now, beyond the regular MBA, Flame also offers an MBA in communications management. This is excellent for those who are targeting marketing, branding, media, advertising kind of roles. So this program is really good if you are targeting these kind of roles. And if you are more into entrepreneurial pursuits, or you have a family business, or you wish to start your own business, then the PGPEI, which is the postgraduate program in entrepreneurship and innovation, this is the one that you should be looking at. This is a 1-year program priced at 8.6 lakhs that blends startup mentoring, global exposure, seed funding, and a lot of incubation for your startup as well. Also, you will have an MSc in economics, which is a specialized program, especially if you want to combine economics with data analytics. So all these programs are what makes Flame really exciting. Now, the top recruiters at Flame include Adani Group, PwC, Vedanta, ENY, and Bajaj Finserv. What sets Flame apart is the customization that you can get in terms of your program. If you want a corporate career, a creative role, or even a startup, then there is a program that is specific to you. Now, in terms of the next institute, that is Altera. It has a 15-month program that is designed to get you into leadership tracks in new age industries. Now, if you look at the brains behind Altera, you will see that these are from the top B schools in the country, which includes IIM Ahmedabad and FMS Delhi. These people have worked in the corporate and had long successful stints as well, including companies like Hindustan Unilever or HUL as we commonly know it. The average package here is 18.2 lakh rupees. The median is 17.9 lakhs, and the top 25% average 22 lakhs in this particular institute. The highest package reached is 26 lakhs. These are IPRS audited numbers, and they are the same standard that is used by IIM Ahmedabad and XLRI. So you know that the data that I'm sharing is pretty sacrosanct. Nearly 70% of the students were placed by the 10th month into the program. And to reiterate, this is a 15-month program. So by the 10th month, 70% of the students already got placed. And of course, the rest of the batch was placed before they graduated. Now, the top recruiters include Amazon, Flipkart, HUL, Godrej, Himalaya, and Blinkit. And these give you a direct entry into various sectors, including e-commerce and FMCG for that matter. And of course, you get founders office roles as well if you are a part of this institute. Now, for those looking for speed, ROI, and industry relevance, Altera stands out. We are also looking at SDA Bocconi through the NMAT, which gives you a global advantage. So unlike the institutes that we have mentioned till now, SDA Bocconi Asia Center in Mumbai is a part of the prestigious Bocconi University in Milan, which is in Italy. Now, its International Master in Business program is something that comes with a 4-month stint in Milan, and the teaching is by international faculty. So you will get to learn from people who also teach at the parent campus. The average package stands at 14.1 lakhs per annum, with the highest package touching 39 lakh rupees. Big recruiters include HUL, KPMG, L'Oreal, Accenture, and the like. What makes SDA different is the global edge that it provides. It's an international brand with strong placements and exposure to the European market as well. So if you wish to pursue a career in Europe, let's say for example, this will be a good brand name on your CV, which is easily recognizable. Now, in addition to these institutes, you also have options like IBS Hyderabad, which reported an average package of 9.82 lakhs, and the top 10% at IBS Hyderabad got 13.7 lakhs worth of placements and a 93% placement rate. In terms of the other options that are there, Amity Business School, Noida had an average placement of 9.36 lakhs. Top recruiters were Deloitte, EY, and TCS. So apart from NMIMS and the legacy options that are there, I would urge you to look at these options as well. Now, there are a couple of things that you would do once you have seen this video. If you wish to apply to any of these colleges, the links to that will be there in the description box below as and when they open up their admissions. So if you have any doubts regarding any of these colleges, feel free to let us know in the comments, and we will be glad to help you with the application process and also the admissions. So wish you all the best with your NMAT, and I hope you get into one of these top colleges that I just mentioned and build a career of your choice.